Lots is getting more area. Virgin is just gonna take off, I guess. Probably not, but I don't know if it's gonna take off. Ooh. Trying to taxi here. Virgin is trying to I guess just stay here for no reason, but that's it's fine. Still have it. Alaska. Hay un avión de Alaska. Hay un avión de Alaska. Mami, hay un avión de Alaska. Alaskan Airlines. Not a great flight. What plane is gonna take off? Ati. On a nice plane. Ati is kind of a great airline, but not greater than I've seen before. It's probably just old. It's
Canada.
Ooh, Canada. Ay, Lufthansa.
Frontier.
There's the Lufthansa. Air Canada's right there. Air Canada. Lufthansa. Look how many Air Canadas. Well, this is the plane I really wanted to see too. It's an old plane. Oh, there's Latin's gonna, I think, taxi, or they're just gonna take off. Yeah, no, they're taxiing. Which plane is gonna take off, I guess. Probably is it LATAM, because I've seen those planes take off so much. Okay, American is in the runway. Okay, America is in the runway. Wait, no, it's in the taxiway, but whatever. 12 planes are in the taxiway. Okay. What's this here? Que yo veo. British Airways. Alaska, don't disappoint me for your doors flying off. Okay, let's focus to America. Firstly, see nothing. By the way, guys, it was a great time. This thing. Oh, wait, let me get closer.